The image provided is a bar chart which gives information about the distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. Initially, it's noticeable that a region and the percentage are a standout feature. A closer look reveals that East region has the highest values, which is 95 percentage, whereas South has the values 80 percentage. West has the values 70 percentage. In addition, North has the values 82 percentage. Overall, these are the final insight drawn from the given bar chart about the distribution of ethnic groups in different regions.
This picture gives information about distribution of groups in different regions. In the picture, the biggest one is East, which is about 100, and the smallest one is South, which is about 40%. In the picture, there are minimum and maximum 20 and 60%. In conclusion, this picture gives information about distribution of groups in different regions.
The image shows the importance of distribution of ethical group in different regions, and it also provides information about east, west, south, and north. And also we can see some percentage which is start from 0 to 100. It clearly shows that 100% is the highest and 20% is the lowest. It also clearly shows that around 80% is the second highest and 40% is the second lowest. After analyzing this bar chart, it can be concluded that distribution of ethnic groups in different regions.
The bar graph illustrates the information about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. The x-axis represents different regions such as East, South, West, and North, while the y-axis shows distribution percentage ranging from 0 to 100. For the Mongol nationality, the maximum people are living in the South region, and that is around 95%, while the least people from the Mongol nationality living in the West, and that is around 5% only. The maximum population in the North is from the Tibetan community. Overall, it can be inferred that for the Mongol population, the maximum are in the south and minimum are in the north.
The given bar graph gives the information about the distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. It shows the percentage such as 20, 40, 60, and so on. It shows the different regions such as East, South, West, and so on. The highest value is covered by the East region, which is about the 100%. The lowest value is covered by the West region, which is about the 20%. Overall, the bar graph on distribution of ethnic groups is very important and information.
The bar graph provides a clear overview of distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. Firstly, I can talk about the x-axis which represents several elements such as east, south, west, and north. In addition, I can talk about the y-axis which represents several percentages such as 0, 20, 40, and up to 100%. After analysis, I can compare the largest amount which is more than 80% for east zone with the lowest amount which is less than 20% for west zone. For example, multiple colors such as red, green, blue, and sky are seen in the picture. In conclusion, this picture shows very significant and instructive data about distribution of ethnic groups in different types.
By looking at bar graph, we can see that the image is about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. If we compare the data, I can see East is the highest, which is covered by 90%. On the other hand, West is the lowest, which is covered by 80%. Moreover, the image is also showing comparison between South and North. The x-axis represent the information about East, South, West, North, while y-axis represent the information about 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. Moreover, the overall, the image is giving useful information about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions.
The image provided is a multiple bar graph that provides information about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. From the picture, we can see that Han is highlighted in blue, Tibetan green, and Uyghur in red. While x-axis talks about different regions like east, west, south, and north, y-axis talks about distribution percentage, that is 0 to 100%. From the picture, we can conclude that east has the highest number of Uyghur Muslims, that is around 90%, and north has the lowest, that is around 60%. While Tibetan is highest in north, that is around 90%, and lowest in the south, that is around 70%. Overall, the picture provides sufficient information about distribution of ethnic groups.
This image mainly provides us information about the ethnic groups. Firstly, it highlights several key points such as East, which is the most important, and South, which are both of them are region. The most noticeable feature is West and North, which are the least important. Additionally, there is 0, 20, and 40. Moreover, it displays 60 and 80. Furthermore, it represents 100 at the x-axis, which are the distribution percentages in the numbers of different types. To sum up, the graph provides us information about the ethnic groups and distribution of ethnic groups.
The provided bar graph gives information regarding distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. Firstly, the x-axis gives information regarding regions such as east, south, west, and north, whereas y-axis gives information regarding distribution in percentage from 0 to 100. Talking about Tibetan, the highest is in north holding 85%, likewise the lowest is in east with just 40%. Overall, the picture gives information regarding ethnic groups.
This picture is about the distribution of the ethnic groups in different regions. Firstly, it is quite evident that the regions in the x-axis and the distributions of the percentage in the y-axis are the subtopics of this image. Similarly, the other elements in this image are the in East, it has the highest in the maths, and in Tibetans, which has the lowest, which is only the 10. Moreover, it also mentioned that from this picture, we came to know that the South, which has the lowest, and the North, which has the lowest. In conclusion, this image has distributed the publics of the distributions.
The title of the picture is Distribution of Ethnic Groups in Different Regions. It is a bar graph. The data has been calibrated in the form of numbers which are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. On the x-axis, I can see region, and on the y-axis, distribution percentage. There are different factors which are east, south, west, north. The maximum data is covered by east, which is 100 and highlighted by red color. The minimum data is covered by south, which is 40 and represented by red color. Also, there are lots of different color in the picture, such as black color, white color, blue color, green color. Overall, the picture give information about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions.
This bar graph presents information about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions. It is divided into two categories: distribution percentage from 0 to 100 and region east to north. There are also categories such as Het, Tibetan, Igor, Mongol, and Mias. In the category of Tibetan, the highest value belongs to north, followed by south and west, while the lowest value belongs to east. This is overall about distribution of ethnic groups in different regions.